Let me show you the details of this VASAGLE 2-tier side table. I just got finished assembling it. It was so easy, didn't take long at all. And it feels like it's gonna be nice and sturdy, made of metal. So this table has 2 trays. So this has a top level tray, and that measures about 15 3/4 of an inch across, and about 11 3/4 of an inch deep. It also stands off the ground at just over 22 inches. It's got metal legs that are 5/8 of an inch across, and down here we'll find a supportive beam as well as another tray right here. You'll see there's about 3 1/4 inch total clearance between the bottom of the tray to this bar here. And if we look at the bottom of the lower tray to the bottom of that upper tray there, it looks to be about 17.5 inches. While to the bar supporting it, it's about 17 inches. We also have what looks to be about 3 1/4 inch of ground clearance, which gives us a maximum height off the ground of about 22 1/4 inch. As you can see, it'll look great with plants on top of it. You can put things on you can see it's got these nice foot pads here that'll hold fast, and it looks great with other black furniture as well. So overall, I'd say it's a very nice and sturdy side table. And it wasn't very hard to put together either. If you need directions on that, that video is right here.